Most people fail because they are too easy to read. They show their anger, their joy, and their next move to everyone. But the most dangerous person in the room is the one who acts like a ghost. No emotions, no traces, just results. Want to know a secret? People love themselves. If you want to control a conversation, stop being you and start being them. Subtle mirroring of their body language makes their brain believe you are a friend. While they feel comfortable and start oversharing, you remain a complete mystery. You are gathering data. They are just making noise. In Classroom of the Elite, Ayanokoji doesn't win by being the loudest. He wins by letting others think they are winning. Every time you react to an insult, you lose. Every time you brag about a win, you lose. Silence isn't just not speaking. It's a shield that makes you untouchable. You can keep being average, or you can start playing the game. Most of you will scroll past this and stay the same, but the few who understand will subscribe and change their mindset today. The choice is yours.